I got money long in school, bustin' all the children hating me. Riding in that black bitch, I'm riding with a black bitch. Look at all these rat bitch, you know I got a set bitch. Touching all day, they can't even see me through this black. So I'm beating down your floor, I got 12 in the back, bitch. I got stiff for 80 nigga play, then I'ma have to spray that rate.
What it do, y'all, man? It's your boy Bust Down King, man. If you didn't know, today is another project. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and get all post notifications, you heard me? Make sure y'all like my last video to my last video on my last one. Y'all get ready, just stay tuned. Finna do a whole front end change on a Dodge Dart. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna get to the video like this, yes sir. So y'all, today is Sunday. I'm out here with my nephew fixing on his car. He had a little fender bender right here. First, you know what I'm saying, we was gonna do something out of it, but we seen that we had to do more to it. And I got my other nephew. So, man, I'm gonna show y'all what's all wrong with the car. We're gonna get back to it like this. So, I already started, y'all know how I get down. I already started, so he had this. This was messed up. His radiator pushed in and his fan is pushed in, included with his bar. Well, his radiator and his fan sitting on, so that is bent in. So, what we gonna try to do, should we just buy everything over? I push that motherfucker out, cause it ain't nothing leaking, you guys, you heard me? It ain't nothing leaking. So, I already started. I'm not gonna change this, cause this ain't got nothing to do with it. I really just gotta take all this off. This is something slight. This is like a few hours work. This is his front bumper. So what y'all don't know, when y'all fix these or change the whole thing, the whole fender well come off. The whole fender well come off. I was trying to save him some money, but clearly, if I can push it out and get that fan to spin, he good. But the decision is if he want to replace that. So, this the owner right here. Yeah, this your shit. This your shit. So yeah, I'm all up on that. So yeah, man, we're gonna do it like that. So I know I already took all the bolts off. Y'all see I snatched the jaw off this bitch. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for the remainder of the video. Yes, sir. So got the front bump off. Bumper sway bar. I don't know what they called, but it's almost made me feel dumb. But so I guess it's still in there. It's just a screw. So this is his front end. His radiator smashed. So we're trying to see what's next. I need to take off. Because, yeah. Look like the whole bar gotta come off, my guy. Look like the whole bar. So I wasn't gonna take it off. I wasn't gonna take it off. So his fan is not spinning freely on its own. So his fan is not spinning freely on its own because it's on something. So what I'm trying to do, save my nephew some money, pull this out, pull that out, because his radiator not leaking. So I'm gonna pull it out. If that fan can spin freely, then he good. He ain't gotta buy all that extra, but he need that. He need a whole bumper. You know what I'm saying? Darts, they actually pretty easy on the front end part of taking the loop. But under, you know what I'm saying? Other than that, it's pretty all right and whatnot. So yeah, we're gonna go on. I'm just want to show y'all the little process me doing it. And the crazy thing about it, his radiator bent like that, but it's not leaking. So what y'all think? Should he replace that or just leave it like that? You know what I'm saying? It's not leaking, it's not getting overheated. So y'all tell me what y'all think about that, man. Get in the comment section and let me know. Well, I really know y'all not gonna go get in the comment section because y'all don't really mess with me like that. Even the few subscribers be watching me, they don't really, you know. But hey, go from there. So please, stay tuned for the remainder of the video. Yes, sir. So I unloose the fan. don't know if y'all can see in there. So this is the second radiator that's bent. But once again, like I said, this is not whatever. So the main radiator is not bent. It just pushed a little bit. But I ended up getting his fan. His fan couldn't move. So now it moved. Cause it's not on there. So y'all stay tuned. I got the fan moving and everything. So that was it. It was just too close up on that. So I had to move this backwards to make for, cause the fan was pushed up on a little bit. So that's about it. It still crank up and do what it gotta do. This is, like I said, y'all, this is second radiator. This is not leaking. I just tried it. It ain't leaking, and the other one is not cracked. So that's the good thing about it. He ain't cracked nothing. So that's what it is. So y'all stay tuned for the remainder of the video. Yes. So it's running. I'm waiting on the fan. Oh, the fan did kick in. I didn't know. So the fan worked. So that's good. The fan is working. So I got that out the way. That's great. The biggest thing I was really worried about is the damn fan. As y'all can see, it is working. You know what I'm saying? Make sure it's not overheating. You know what I'm saying? Can't have my nephew driving around here like that. Shut up. Still blowing AC. Temperature still raising up, so I'm waiting on that to come on. I don't know why his check engine light on, but that's something he have to figure it out. The tire sensor on because of his tire. Y'all know how that is. He don't know. I'm finna get these quarters out of here. Yeah, I'm finna get them. So just you see this motherfucker. Next time you see this motherfucker, I got your quarters. The rest of it, I mean, it's not bad. You hear me? It's not bad. It's not overheating, so what y'all think? Should he replace it? Cause the fan is on. Everything's straight. His belt ain't bad, his engine not knocking. So he really straight on that. You know what I'm saying, me? So ain't nothing really wrong with it. He just had that's all he had. Like I don't know, y'all. So at the end of the day, it's like the car done. All thing I gotta do is get him another bumper, a whole bumper, sprinkle bar. Get him a whole bumper. Or get him another breaker bar and a bumper. And that's it. I'm not gonna charge him. I'm gonna charge him some slight because it is done. Technically, it really is done. And I'll just show y'all tomorrow once I finish. Cause I'm not just gonna end this video like that. I'm waiting on him to pull up so you can see. I know you're gonna be happy. You know what I'm saying? So the temperature going up. His car still get hot. You know what I'm saying? It still get hot. So he really straight. So other than that, like I said, you guys, everything is straight on the car. You ain't gotta worry about nothing. Y'all just stay tuned for the remainder of the video. Tomorrow I should have the bumper, the whole front end bumper. I gotta go take all that off. So stay tuned for the next day post of the video. So yes, sir. Wait till Monday. Yes, sir. So went to the junkyard, got him a bumper. That motherfucker ain't all that. I ain't gonna lie to you. It ain't all that. But it's close. Just the bottom bumper. So I can go, I got the bar. I go snap everything back on, put everything on, and go from there. So yeah, man, I went and got that motherfucker. I've been up since 10. It is 2:39. Looking for this nigga a bumper. Finally got that motherfucker, I know that. Ain't all that, but it's something. So, man, I am done with it. I finished it, put the bump on. It really look like a bumper that you just buy off of Amazon, but hey, nephew is rolling. I put everything back together. This don't go there. Let me get this off you because I already put you in. Let me get thank you. I already got the bump in. He don't have his fog lights. He didn't have them on the first one. So I really wasn't going to look for it. The vehicle is done. I am finished. Actually did a pretty quick job with it. Took my time with it because I don't want nothing to happen to him while he driving. Put his breaker bar on. Did everything that I was supposed to do back to the vehicle. Actually, once he wash it, it actually blends in with it. So it just can't be too rough on the bumper, but it looks good. It's done. Man, I am completely finished. Man, I've been up since 9 o'clock looking for nephew a bumper. I have done it. I am finished. Only thing he got to just come out here and look at it once. If you like it, wash it. It really don't look bad, but it is a used bumper. So yeah, that's it on that. So we'll go ahead and end this video because I'm tired. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna play my game and relax, get into it. So if you did know, now you know, man. It's your boy Bust Down King. Make sure y'all like all videos that I post, get post notifications, man. Please like and comment my videos, man. We all the way up 23, man. Yeah.
Down your block, I got 12 in the back, bitch. I got sticks for 80 nigga plate, and I'ma have to spray that rate. Run around.